Hello my dear friends, today I am going to show you best software for animation. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Without wasting time, let's jump into the video. In my list, the first option is Adobe Animate. So Adobe Animate is a powerful tool for creating 2D animations. It offers a wide range of features including vector drawing tools, timeline control and support of various output formats. It is ideal for creating animation for website, TV shows and video games. So this is a versatile, integrate well with other Adobe products, like great for web and interactive animations. But the cons are this is a subscription based software and the best for 2D animation, interactive content and web animations. You can download this software using adobe.com products animate. And the second one is Blender. I think most of you familiar with Blender. So Blender is a free and open source 3D animation software that offers a comprehensive suite for tool for modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing and motion tracking. It is widely used by professionals and hobbyists alike. So this is a free, open source and powerful 3D modeling and animation tool, but it has a steep learning curve. So this is best for 3D modeling, rigging and VFX. So you can download that one using www.blender.org. The third one is Toon Boom Harmony. Just delete this, no, close this one. Okay, Toon Boom Harmony is a professional grade 2D animation software used by many studios for TV shows and films. It offers a wide range of features including vector and bitmap drawing tools, advanced rigging system and support for various animation styles. So consider about pros. This is the industry standard for 2D animation and powerful features, great for TV and film production. But the cons are this is little bit expensive. So this is best for 2D animation, TV and film production. You can download this application using www.toonboom.com products harmony. And the next one is Autodesk Maya. Autodesk Maya is a professional grade 3D animation software used by many studios for film and TV production. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for modeling, rigging, animation, simulation and rendering. So consider about pros. This is the industry standard for 3D animation, powerful features, great for film and TV production. But the cons are it is little bit expensive and it has a steep learning curve. So I think this is best for 3D animation, film and TV production. You can download this software using adobe.com products Maya overview. So the next one is Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D is a professional grade 3D animation software known for its user-friendly interface and powerful features. It is widely used in the motion graphic industry and offers a range of tools for modeling, animation and rendering. Consider about pros: user-friendly interface, powerful features and great for motion graphic. But the cons are this is little bit expensive. So this is best for motion graphics, 3D animation and AR VR. The last one is in my list, Moho Pro. So Moho Pro is a 2D animation software that offers powerful vector-based drawing tools and advanced rigging systems. It is ideal for creating complex 3D animations with smooth and natural movements. So consider about pros. This is great for 2D vector animation and this has a powerful rigging tools. But this is limited for 3D capabilities. So I think this is best for 2D vector animation. So these are the 6 softwares I need to show you to make animations easily. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.